Hello everybody, welcome back for another run of a Monster Train. We did lose last time, but I'm only taking partial credit. I think I might even just want to run it back with this group. We don't have, like, reanimate or reform. Increasing room capacity also isn't really something we do. Yeah, I think we run it back with what we got. I think I'm pretty happy with this. Do we want to swap Arquats? Nah, I think we stick with... Oh, shit. I think we stick with... I think we just go back exactly as we were. I don't mind this loadout. Okay, this I'm happy about. This I'm very happy about. This sucks. But you know, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. I kind of hate both of these. I mean, let's go the Enchant Avarice, I guess. Solo units get bigger. No, give me Jack Strips. I really like Jack Strips. Draw -1, always. Why? Why do you do this to me? Well, you can go... there. You can go here. You can go here. Good enough. We do this. We do this. We do this. That's good. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Then I will replace you with 2 of these ones. 30. Yeah, cool. We don't want to actually mess with that at all. If we don't have to. This is the move. Yeah, good. Ow. God, it sure would be nice to actually get any of these fucking regens out. That's fine. Oh, cool. Finally, some regen. Thanks. I'll kill one of them. And I'll put you up here. I think that'll be fine. How we doing here? We winning? We are indeed not winning. Give me this, give me this, give me this. And then this. Now we're winning. Good. We want to do as much combat damage as we can, because then we get more cash money off our lady here. There we go. Not bad at all. So we do want some, like, little units. I do like Make It Rain, and if we're doing the money run... Well, it sucks not getting that. I think I'm going to skip for now. Do we want the wagons? No, I think we want Awoken. Ah, Tank Boy. Unfortunately, can I get out of this? No. They're both not really what I want. Now, this is good, though. We can give her a shield still. It's not the best, but it will do. Let's start you with a bit of spiky spike. Let's reroll. I mean, bonus avarice on you, maybe? It'll help our money. I give it to the Snotty Whelp. This is fine. Not great, but fine. God damn, they're giving me all the worst ones. I'm still gonna take it, though. Cool. We go you. We go you. We go you. End it. What do we got here? Well, you're dying. What are you doing? You're going straight to the top, huh? That's bad. Okay, you're the one that pops, so let's pop. Cool. That worked. This is fine. There's our little Avarice guy. Great. You need more of this. Honestly, this is probably also worth it this turn. Loaded whelp. Pop. Loaded whelp. Pop. And then I think we take this guy. I'm sure we've still got another whelp in the deck somewhere. Yeah, we got plenty. We go you. We go you. Damn, oh, right, we're minus energy at the moment. I keep forgetting. Make it rain would be great here. So we will. And then, do we regen? Well, we do this. No, we don't do this. I think we just do this, let him go up to the next floor. Like, he'll be quite softened up for these guys. And then we do this. Perfect. We do this. And we just want to keep you kicking a little bit. Extra cash money. Up to 121. I mean, we did go down to basically nothing, so... I think we skip... Glimmer out. We take the Wildwood. God damn it. We need units. Please, God. Okay, this is a good one. We take this. What do you got in here? Show me potato salad. It's Dante! Okay, on summon, add a permanent Dante's Candle to the deck and a stack of multi-strike for each black card in your deck. Absolutely. You're in. I didn't even read what he said. He's just my boy and I love him. Okay, let's make something cheap and get out of my deck. Never mind. Reroll. Cool. Double stack is good. So we do this. We make it rain free. And we remove a bloated whelp. Okay, I'm pretty happy with all that. We need to upgrade our boy Dante, though. Oh, not you again. This is the worst one. Stop giving me this guy, for fuck's sake. Okay, we go 1. We go 2. We go 3. This is risky, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Perfect. Yeah, it's just what I needed. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da. Groovy. Do that. Cool. We don't have anything on your floor yet, but we can fix that. Let's just make it rain here, I think. Perfect. Ah, shit, you've already got corruption on you. That's bad news, bears. I'm just gonna put you at the front, because you're going to die anyway. You can have that. I think this is fine. For now. There's the candle, which is bad. There's you, which is good. Get both of those out of my deck. You're going to die. You guys are dying. Unfortunately, he is going to be a little bit weak until we get some actual upgrades on him. I can't put anything in front of you. You're fine, you're fine. We can't fit you anywhere. Maybe we do want the extended range on these bad boys. We do have another tank, right? Yeah. Good stuff. And you're out of goobers, right? Yeah, it looks like you're out of mass, so... quite pleased. No, my lady! Hold on. We're living. Told you we were living. Okay, that's fine. That's less fine. Never mind, it's totally fine. Are we winning down here? Yeah, we are. I'm just gonna do this anyway. And we don't have anything bad in our hands. Okay, good stuff. This is fine. Push, 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 push. You are so weak. I mean, you're still doing 9 damage, but without the guy that was buffing him every turn when he attacks, significantly weaker. Alright, give me my stuff. If we're going extra units, this could actually be good. Yep, that's... fuck you. I'm taking it anyway. Give me my unit space. Okay, we need unit upgrades. So we're going here. Even if they're mid, it's what we need. Oh my god, they're not mid though. That's perfect. We can make Dante small, which would kind of go off. But I think we reroll. Oh, not what I needed. I'm giving Dante quick might be nice. Avarice 3 on... plus 10 and spikes on you, maybe? It'll have to do. Upgrade our guy. Ah! Interesting. Okay. I see how this is working now. What do we want to duplicate? I'm thinking... Wait. Hold on. I mean, I could get more of these guys. I could get a second Dante, but that's crazy work. I think actually we ignore all of that, and we just take a second Wildwood. Wildwood's good. Very good. Draw -1? You keep fucking me, game. Why do you hate me? Okay. I still think we want Guild on the second floor. Hollow on the first. Honestly, maybe we just leave Dante behind for now. Like, we get everything else set up better instead. You can go up here. We do this, we do this, we do this. Okay, you are going to die, which is actually bad, believe it or not. Ah, yeah, you take this. We do this. What do you do? When triggering a killing blow does not matter. Just give me the extra regen. Probably should have just taken the damage on him, to be honest. Well, that's annoying. I can fit Dante down here, actually. Or up here. Actually, yeah, let's put Dante up here. Groovy. We Wildwood you. We do this. Good enough. That's a lot of money. There's the calcified ember. Oh, it's removed from the deck. Okay, that's not as bad. Do I have any bloated... Yeah, fuck it. Let's gamble. I mean, look. It's pretty good damage, if nothing else, right? Do this. Thank you. You know, I'm actually going to do this just to get this out of my goddamn deck. Then you can hang out up here. We've got the space. Okay, that was pretty good. Kill the candle. Fuck the spear steward, actually. Give me 2 of these. More regen, more good. We're going to win. We're going to do this. We're going to come up here. We're going to use both of these. We'll just put you down there for fun. Alright, well, we're going to win. I'm very annoyed that all my boys are not long for this world, of course, but he's going to kill himself on these insane spikes. I do love me some spiky boy. I don't want any of these. Restoring health on resolve is kind of nice. Oh, this used to be an actual card. Now it's a room. That's kind of fun. I'll skip, though. Oh, wait. What's this? Oh, it's my boy Dante again. It feels good to have my candles burning once more now. My magic is recuperated. Allow me to do something for you. Pyre gains Titan Skin 2 or Harness the Candles. Gain Dante's Inferno. Piercing, consume, deal damage to enemy units on all floors. Oh my god. Yeah, give me that. Cool, thank you. It does mean that we're going to need to play out the candles, but I think we can manage that. Arms and removal or Pyreborn and magic. Give me arms and removal. Oh my god, I love Split Anvil. Split Anvil is just crazy good. I don't really like any of these. Yeah, give me the sacrificial chamber. And do we have any spikes coming up? Yes. Yes, we do. So we do not take that. Instead, I would like to get this guaranteed on my draw phase. And we do some cutting. Sorry, other shield steward. Sorry, bloated whelp. Like, you guys are fine, but you're not good. Front non-boss enemy gets reanimate. I think we can deal with that. Okay. Ah, right. Actually, I don't think I did want this to have deployable, did I? We go you. We go you. We go you. Fuck it, we'll make it work. I mean, I feel like that's much better served as a finisher. Although, admittedly, this is a little worrying. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Can I do this? I can. It won't do much, but I can do it. Get you in here, do this. Do I want to pop the other 2 whelps? No, I think I need to keep it for now. That sucks. We do this. Okay, you need a friend. Have a friend. Cool. You're dead. That's all that matters. We do this. And we're going to need to take some hits. Okay, perfect. This is what we needed. Give me my boy Dante. Still not quite enough, huh? Well, that helps that one. Let's start with this down here. What do we got? Well, there's no units in our draw pile, but we do have units, so we're taking you. This will help a lot. A good amount, actually. Damn good amount. Okay, I'm a little sad I don't get to play this, but we're fine. I think this is the first time we've ever actually utilized all 3 floors in a run. That's fine. Little hit, little hit. Fuck, double candles? You're fucking me, game. You're fucking me. This is terrible news. Hold on. Yeah, that did not move the needle. That's fine. We're just gonna need to deal. Okay, how are we doing? Not the best. Okay, well, let's start with this. Cool. And now we're doing the best. Great. I'll send you up there for the sake of sending you up there. Let's go. See, sometimes all you need is a little bit more. Man, these guys not attacking is so annoying, though. I really need the Vine Grasp. He's really just killing himself. Oh, wait, every time he dies, I'm getting 10 gold. Hell yeah, look at that. That's great. He died like 30 times. I mean, a second Make It Rain would be really good. I'm gonna skip these. Okay. We need unit upgrades. Which is good, because the trinkets would be really good as well, but... Duplicate. Honestly, if we're running Dante, we should get the double Dante's Inferno. Okay, now we're talking. Miser, double strike. Dual Sim? Does Dual Sim work on Avarice? Yeah, it does. Cool, you're our moneymaker. I do love Tight Knight. I need to Google something real quick. Hold on. Monster Train 2, does Titanite reduce... what's it called? There's a very specific reason I want to know. Corruption. Does not reduce it. Nope. Okay, not interested. Thank you for letting me know. Put that on Mr. Tanky Boy here, though. I've already done my reroll. Okay. So I guess just keep buffing these guys. You know you can have it. And you know what? We need you to have damage, so we're going to give you the damage. And honestly, maybe the Endless would be good as like a backup. And we're going to remove this. I know we can remove it in the round, but I'd rather get it out of my deck more consistently. And honestly, these whelps suck. Get rid of one of them. Get out of my face. Okay, Strixon Hollow. Wait, what? This is new? I've legitimately never seen this one before. Okay. The Angelic Twins fight as one, drawing strength from each other over the course of battle. When one falls, the other fights on it with unyielding fury. Ah, I see. They synergize. That's really fucked. One makes the other one stronger, the other one makes the other one deal more damage. Okay, give me you. Give me you. Oh, but the music is bumping. Listen to that. You know what? Actually, I am going to avoid playing you. Wait, you're like just here? Huh? I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, okay, so it'll also just move up. Gotcha. That shit was awful. Holy crap. Okay, you can take that. You're also going to take a lot of damage here. How about I give you this for now? Okay, the jack strips are also terrible for us here. Okay, that's great. We want you to die. We do this. We do this. I mean, I guess I'll keep you for now as well. Because, yeah, we want to be able to get Dante down here. So I think that's good. This one could be less good. Nope, it's fine. Bro, where the fuck is Dante at? I was really hoping that was going to be him, to be honest. It was not. We don't have anyone up here. Yeah, we can kill you with this, so we will, in fact. Get our good spear steward here. Get our indigestion guy here. Pop, pop. Yeah, I think we just pop, pop again. Then we do this. I think putting that on you is a good move. And I'll just hold on to you for now. I really don't like that they have synced up. That's very bad. Can I even heal you out of this? And the answer is no. So that's bad. I really am upset that they have synced. Cool. I think we just need to do this now, right? Cool. That's fine. You guys are now going to be desynced. We give you the heal. Fucking, we just need something in front to soak some hits. Yeah, okay. This is fine. Dante's Inferno? Yep. Thank you. We just immediately do this. We rip one of the candles. We do this. We do this. Okay. Overall, not bad. God, you have Titan Skin 10? Final wave. Oh my god, we need to fight them all at the same time. We may be down. Holy shit, these guys are crazy. I mean, there's no denying that that guy coming back is helpful, but I don't know if helpful enough. Yeah, we are deceased yet again. Wow, yeah, okay, we just... I probably should have checked that more thoroughly. Multi-strike and spikes. Very, very, very not good against that guy. Like, holy shit. You can't do one. Hey, that's kind of cool. Fusing ability, friendly units gain 5. Hey, that's also pretty cool. Spreading spores. 3 health, apply regen 3 and spike 3, and add a copy of it. Friendly units get 1 damage per stack of spikes. Well, that would have been helpful. Oh, apparently we reanimated or reformed units? Oh, I mean, I guess we did the, endless on that one guy, but I don't know if I'd count that. Anyway. Oh, we got another law. What am I going to do, Echo? Or am I going to find 2 cases of Pyre gold? You could get a job. Dragons don't get jobs. We steal, cheat, hoard, and profit. Gold. Oh, it has such terrible energy. Why would you want such a thing? Because if I don't have it, Lady Gilda will roast me alive. Or worse, freeze me out of her favor entirely. You couldn't happen to say, delay the festival, could you? Can you stop the moon from rising? I'm doomed, aren't I? No! All you need is some moon water. Moon water? Moon water! So lovely. Leave a chalice of water in the moonlight to brew it. Moon water can heal wounds, bring good fortune. It does everything. What a pile of gold-plated dirt. But maybe there's an opportunity with this moon water. Oh my god, he's getting into an MLM. Okay. So, next time, Gilda's dead to me. I'm sick of Gilda. Fuck off, Gilda. I like this boy. The Sentient. We will go for the Sentient and the Underlegion. But that's not till next time. For now, thank you all for watching. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.